Hey, welcome back to my channel, everyone. And this time I am going to review one more HMT watch, and I am really crazy about this because I don't know, I personally like this color. So before I get the review started, if you haven't liked and subscribed, go below there, press the bell icon, press the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Because when you subscribe, it drives me to make more and more reviews. And I do not edit much or do many kind of video editing, but whatever I try to put the general facts there, and that's it. That's what the public wants. So here is the another watch from HMT, and this time this is awesome. I think this is my most favorite color. I don't know what others thinks, because I haven't seen people being crazy for this color, but I like this. I really like this. This is the HMT Kohinoor light blue with matte shade dial. So I will remove some dust from the crystal here, and here it is. You see what a retro kind of blue this is. It reminds you of the colors of the watches that used to come in the 70s and 80s. A very retro cool blue here. This is I think you can call it smoke blue, grey blue or anything. But in matte texture, this is my most favorite watch when it comes to Kohinoors. I think I have found a perfect Kohinoor for me. I personally like it very much, and I don't think this is going anywhere from my collection because I am not a huge fan of bling dials. The subtlety on this dial, the not so aggressive kind of sunburst, this is what I want. So the case size is 36 mm with a hand winding movement 0231. The lug size is 18 mm. The lug to lug size is around 41 mm. On the dial we have the HMT insert, that is the logo here, Parashock 17 jewels and Kohinoor printed. The indices are metal inserts here, metal bars with a different type of indices at 12 o'clock. The indices have lume dots above them, and there are minute markers or second markers printed. So this is how a general Kohinoor is. The hands are stick hands with lume lines here, and all steel hands here, including the second hand. So some Kohinoors have that red kind of second hand, some Kohinoors have the steel kind of second hand. It all depends on the design and sometimes the stock when the watch is being manufactured. So the bracelet is a two-part HMT metal bracelet with HMT embossed buckle here. The case back is, I think, the standard HMT Kohinoor case and case back, and which has been fabricated from the leftover stock. So I don't complain because now HMT has to use its leftover stock to get the watches done. But what matters is that HMT has started listening to its customers, and they are making some really retro cool watches in the hand winding and automatic movement. So this is something really good. I think I really love their recently launched the Stellar timepieces, Stellar automatics with newer Myota movements. They have been reissuing some automatics with newer Myota movements and all. Also releasing their old stock watches from their leftover stock. That's really good. I really like that. And so I will just put on my favorite Kohinoor back on my wrist. Here it comes, and I will lock the buckle. That's done. And here it is. What's not to like in this watch? And it has become my daily beater, and oh hell yes, I'm going to keep this. Very gentlemanly look, very gentle look. So thanks for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe, and wait for more videos. Have a good day.